I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to create super viral social media quotes with Socimattic. So I'm going to click on the quote campaign. Now I've already connected my social media accounts. I'm going to enter a campaign name. Then I'm going to slide down here and I can choose a category and I can start to enter tags. And you'll see that they autocomplete just like Google works. I can choose the number of quotes I want in the campaign, and then I can choose how often they're going to post. And then I'm going to go down here and click Create Campaign. It's that simple. And watch what happens. It goes and it creates my campaign, and when it generates, I'm going to be able to preview all of the quotes that are going to go out and see exactly when they're going to post. I didn't need to create any content. I didn't need any of the quotes myself. I didn't need to upload any images or graphics or anything else. So we just click on Upcoming Posts, and you can preview all of the quotes. You can see that these are stunning images with professionally approved designer fonts. It gives you over 1 million possible combinations for unique quotes. And you don't need separate software. You don't even need to switch between screens. It's all right here. And remember, if you were going to outsource this, it's 2 jobs you need to outsource, because you need to get the quotes created and then you actually need somebody to post them to social media for you. Imagine if you're doing this every single day, that's going to add up costs really, really quickly. You just use the arrows to toggle left and right to preview your quotes, and if there's one you don't like, just delete it. Each quote shows you right at the bottom when it's going to post based on your settings, and the buttons here will toggle on and off each of the services. So if it's red, it won't post to that service. If it's green, it will. All you do is click it to turn it on or off. Plus, you can even download your quotes, so you could use them on your blog, you could use them on e-commerce sites, or anywhere else that you want. I've showed you a quick preview, but let's go back through it in a little bit more detail so you can see all the customization options that you have. So as you enter your campaign name, then you can choose which socials to post it to. You can choose whether to start the campaign right now or whether to schedule it for later. You can choose from any of the categories, or you can even choose from a random category and it'll choose a random one from the database. You can start to type in any tags that you want and they will automatically autocomplete. You can even upload a logo. And your logo will be watermarked on every single quote. So every time it gets seen, every time it gets shared, every time anybody views it, they're going to be viewing your brand. You're going to be building up your brand automatically. You could set how often you want the post to go out. You could choose the number of quotes in your campaign. You can also choose from fonts. You can choose to randomize the font for each individual quote, or you can pick from a list of fonts. Then you can type in a destination URL. And this is where you want traffic to go when they click on your post or on your link. You can also put in a post headline. This will appear directly above the image itself. And then you can add a call to action description. That will be hyperlinked to the URL. Now what's super cool about this is you can spin these. So I can actually add another URL. And what happens is, every time a new quote posts, it will rotate between the different URLs I've chosen. So it will automatically spin that. I can do the same thing with the post headline and with the call to action description. So I can actually create a bunch of different variety of unique, not only quotes, but the actual post content and links or offers that I'm promoting all at one time. And then you could choose the positioning of the quote, if you want it to be on the top, the middle, or the bottom of the graphic, or you could keep it at random. And best of all, once it's set, your software will automatically retarget and remarket to your audience whatever website, offer, or product that you want. This is how fast you create hundreds and thousands of quotes on autopilot. Simply select your requirements and that's it. The software does all the hard work for you, making it literally plug and play. Because once you set it up, the software sends out quotes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you. So you can attract more visitors easily, turning them into paying customers. Get Socimattic today.